Hi fellas, headed to Salem from Bangalore, and this is one lovely stretch that I thought I should capture. Otherwise there's nothing much. It's just been highway cruising since morning, since afternoon, and the bike has just been flawless. My oil is starting to wear out, and just a little noisy, that's about it. To be expected from any single cylinder long stroke motorcycle. They become all clanky and cluttery once the oil starts wearing out. So yeah, maybe another 300 to 500 kilometers and I will touch my 3000 kilometer mark and I will change my oil. But otherwise we are just having a ball on the highway. So the motorcycle, irrespective of the weight, that is the payload, continues to perform, and it just does 100 kilometers an hour without any complaints. So yeah, the only thing that I feel is a bit of a lacking is the acceleration. So not 200 with the pillion would definitely set the timing back by about 3 to 4 seconds. There'll be another 3 to 4 seconds more to 100. That's the problem with India. Like I said, each one. Whoa! Each one with a different understanding. Oh, finally, so you guys just got to witness how I brake. That was as sudden as it gets, and so you did see me brake. And now we move on to the other lane. Yeah, so that's how it is with India. Barely have any idea of what can come your way. Absolutely no clue. As random as it gets. Anyways, I did not hope to have any kind of hiccups, but yeah, that is what it is when you are on Indian roads. It's one thing one day and another thing another day. So the bike corners really well. I'm taking the inside line, not the outside line, which would just keep me safe. And whoa, sorry guys, not in a position to check the scenery out. Have to be safe. Woo. Strange. Pathetic roads, pathetic, yet lovely scenery. Okay, should I take the inside line? Yes, I can, because he's a little wide. And again, can I take the inside line? Yes, I can. Just be a little careful when you take the inside line. This is not me trying to educate anyone on how to ride a motorcycle, but yeah. Keep your distance, expect the unexpected on Indian roads, always. Crazy, 30 kilometers an hour on roads like these. God save India. Doesn't make any sense, right? To be doing 30 kilometers an hour. Oh, there's a biker couple. Well, fully loaded. Dominar, that's the motorcycle. And man, oh man, we got mountains, we got just about everything. I have Ashi with me, otherwise I would just be cutting through all of this without even thinking twice. It's because braking, everything is so much more better. Acceleration and braking especially. When you do tight sections like these, it's always very, very important that you have the acceleration and braking in your fingertips. I mean, you know it like in the back of your head. It's an autonomous process. But with Ashi, everything changes, and you really can't go about overtaking or braking as you expect. Like what happened just a while ago, if not for Ashi, I could have braked. I mean, I could have reduced the distance to less than half, because I'm very quick at braking. But with Ashi, yeah, the momentum and the weight. What happens is, you tend to get a little farther on the road than expected. So yeah, a lot of drama when you ride with Ashi. And there you go, this fella just wants to come closing in on you without a single warning, no indicator, no nothing. That is Indian highway riding for all you fellas who want to buy these big bikes and who assume that you'll be cruising at about 150 kilometers an hour. Let me tell you, it doesn't work that way. So another 50 kilometers and we will reach our destination. But until then, keeping my fingers crossed. No helmets, a family no helmets, and then you have a scooter guy with a bag full of stuff, and then you have people just crossing on the roads, honeymoon couple I believe, and then there's the mountains, and then there's the Dominar couple. Woo-hoo! Whoa! Look at this, fellas! Woo, woo, woo! Been riding all day, so I might not have the energy, but this is spectacular. Woo! Perks of riding, perks of being on the road full throttle, just taking in the breeze, taking in the wind, taking in all of this. So reaching our hotel in Salem in another 5 minutes at the most, and this has been quite an uneventful ride. Nothing to kind of register in this video, but one thing, like I said before, the oil has kind of given up, so poor thing, almost on the verge of calling it quits. It's been about 2,500 kilometers with the oil after the oil swap, and yeah, highway riding just takes a toll on any oil for that matter, and especially an engine like a long stroke motor with big components inside. You are definitely going to be hearing all of it. So yeah, we'll reach the hotel in some time, maybe 2-3 minutes. Whoa, there's a waterfall, a tiny little waterfall that Ashi pointed out, and this is asking for trouble. Road dug up like that, but then it's Himalayan, isn't it? Himalayan has no problems whatsoever. Just can eat bad roads for breakfast, lunch and dinner and maybe some for supper. So yep, we'll be winding up with this. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. It's been a non-stop ride from Bangalore to Salem. A small tea break, that's about it. 10-minute tea break. So 226 kilometers to our hotel from where we stayed in Bangalore to this hotel that we are about to reach. 226 kilometers, and the machine just did it without any complaints.